Marcos thinks that the first time I did this, did it like a champ. Second time
Let's
around,
go.
I'm about to do it again.
Like a G.
Go ahead.
Thank you.
Like a G.
That's how we do things, man.
Like a G. Let's go!
I could smell that shit from here.
Like a G. Hold it in, my G.
It's starting. If he gets this one, then it's fucking crazy.
Hot.
Don't make him laugh.
Damn, babe.
Come on.
Let's go, son.
Mm.
Let's go. Let's go, man.
Kind of crazy, man. You ready for it?
Fucking crazy, son.
Y'all ready for it?
That's crazy.
Right here.
There's no competition, nigga. Part 4.